Y'all, get this wig. Get the wig.
ISEEHAIR has sent over their Wear and Go wig for me to try out for a glueless, easy install, and this features a waterway texture 24 inches, a 6x4 HD lace glueless closure with pre-bleached knots and a pre-plucked hairline to make it easy for you to install immediately without doing any work. This has a really snug fit from the elastic band and the curvatures on the ears, so let's go ahead and try her on.
I'm going to co-wash this first, let it air dry, and then we will come right back. Look at it now. It is full from root to tip. This is no product in the hair, and this is the definition you're getting. So let's put her on. So the hair is gorgeous. It is super snug in the back, which is nice because it fits perfectly. This is what the lace is looking like with no customization, no anything. What I'm gonna do real quick is put some makeup on the lace on the inside just to camouflage it a little bit. Okay, so you see now, it's so much more seamless. When they said glueless, they meant it because I have to do nothing else to this lace, and because we put that bronzer color on the lace is literally invisible. No glue, no adhesives, no spray. Literally throw this on and like be out the door. I'm going to kind of spray the top down and kind of lay it down a little bit and give you like the final look. And so this is how the hair is looking. And when I tell you, I could literally walk out the door just like this and not have to do anything. Literally undetectable, not clockable. It's so easy and it's so light and it's literally a no-brainer. It doesn't make any sense how good this is for an affordable price. Check the TikTok shop below and get your wig.